Hi everyone. If you're interested to learning and make a career in data analytics field, then you are the right place. Hi, my name is Indrajit and welcome to my channel Analyst Ascent. I am very excited to start this journey with you all. On this channel, I'll be sharing the video about SQL tutorial, advanced Excel including Power Query and Macro, VBO and Power BI. Guys, my goal is to make this simple and easy to understand. Even though if you are new and you are not able to understand the SQL, Power BI and Excel, I try to make sure it will be easy to understand from the beginning to advanced level. If you found this video is suitable for your career, then guys, please do subscribe and support in advance. So if I make this video in coming days, then it will reach to you. Thank you.